Hi, welcome to today's class, which looks at the use of the word to. The meaning of to can vary depending on the context and where it appears in a sentence. The word to can appear before an adjective or adverb, or before much, many, few, and so on. You're too young to understand politics. It can be used as an addition to a sentence, or clause, or phrase showing agreement. We're going to the park. Paul is coming too. It can mean also or as well, or besides. It can express excessiveness, or that something is extra or additional. Some people use it to mean very. Think of to as being relevant when there is an increase in something. So let's look at the use of to show excessiveness, so much of a particular quality that something is not possible. To do something. It's too cold to go outside. For something. She is too old for activities like that. For someone. The table was too heavy for her to carry. Or, this film is too scary for kids. Much too, or far too. They rarely have meals together. They're far too busy. More than is necessary or acceptable. He is driving too fast. Too much or too many. You've put too much salt in my food. Rather too, or a bit too, or a little too. I don't trust Hillary. She's a little too clever. Now let's look at its use to mean also or as well. Used to add an agreeing thought. It has the same meaning as also, but its placement within the sentence is different. I'm starting to feel hungry. Me too. Helen's got a lovely voice, and she's a good dancer too. And let's look at its use to show addition. Used for emphasis at the end of a comment, when you're adding your opinion about what has just been said. Well, now he's in jail, and a good thing too. So let's look at the use of to in phrases. All to, or only to, is used for emphasizing that you wish that something did not happen so much, or that something was not true. All too often, it is the victim who gets blamed. This also appears in the phrase, know only too well. I knew only too well how dangerous the operation might be. Be only too glad, pleased, or happy to do something. To be very willing to do something. I'd be only too happy to help you. Not to is similar to saying not very. How are you feeling? Oh, not too bad. You're too kind or generous is used for thanking someone in a way that is very polite, or at times sarcastic. Thank you, you're too kind. Complete each of these dialogues with a phrase that incorporates the word to. And that brings us to the end of this class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.